Hi, so today is day 2 of the Tumblr video challenge, and the topic is what's inside your purse/wallet. So, this is my purse. It's pink, and it's from Betsy Johnson, and it's really cute. But inside my purse, I have my sunglasses, and many toothbrushes, because I like to have nice breath, and I have a mirror so I can always be looking fresh, and I have Advil, loose money, lip gloss. Inside my wallet I have my driver's license, and a bunch of gift cards and debit cards, but I don't really keep much inside my purse because I don't really use it that much, because I'm not a purse person, and I just put whatever I need in my pocket. But that's what's inside my purse.